Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we are going to see how to create a Windows VM using Azure Portal. Let's start now. Open Chrome and log in into Azure Portal, portal.azure.com. You need to have a subscription first, or else you can try with free trial also. So I have logged in into my system. Let me, yeah, this one. Again, it's asking sign in. Now let's sign in here. Yeah, I have signed in. Okay, click on virtual machines here. Click on create virtual machine. Select the subscription, then create your existing resource group. So I am creating resource group as test group. Okay, click on OK. And provide the VM name here, and the region I will be referred like Central US. Central US. Okay, and I am not selecting any availability option, and the image I am selecting is Windows Server 2019 Data Center Generation 1, and sizes also you can select. So if you are selecting sizes, you can see all the sizes from here. So when you are selecting these sizes, here you can see the cost per month also. So it's loading now. Give us some time. Yeah, see. So depends on your requirement. You need to select. Okay. So I am selecting data center 1 V2. Okay, and then to log into the system, we need to provide our administrator details like username and password. I am giving administrator as demo user, and password is password. Okay, okay, and then select HTTP also, and RDP. Click on next. So in OS disk option, I'm selecting SSD only. If you are required standard SSD or standard HDD, so as per your requirement, you need to select. So it's a demo purpose. I am selecting premium SSD, and SSD inscription type, you put it as default. Click on networking. So in networking section, so while creating any VMs or any resource group, it will create a virtual network. So it's taking its default one. So even subnet also, and it will create a new IP address also for public IP. Okay, click on management. You can leave it as it is. Click on advanced. So you can leave it. And tags you can, like I'm giving like tag as VM values demo, and click on review. So it's reviewing because whether we have provided correct details or not. Once everything is correct, then it shows as validation is passed. Then you can create it. Click on create. So initializing deployment, here you can see submitting the deployment. From the notification tab, you can see each and everything what happening to the virtual machine. So now deployment is in progress. So once deployment is success, then your VM resource will available. So it will take some time, depends upon your network. So you need to wait. So we'll wait. See, while deployment is progress, so you can see in NSG is creating and public IP address is created, and VNet also is created. So NSG is nothing but network security group. IP is nothing but internet portal, and VNet and VM also is now creating load V1. Yeah, now you can see deployment is succeeded. Click on from here also you can go, or else you can click on here also. Go to resource. See, this is our load VM1. So here you can see all the options like status is running, location, subscription type, and subscription ID. At the same time, we have provided like tags also, like the VM equal to demo, and the operating system Windows and size is this one, and the public address also you can see this. By using this, you can access your VM. But let's see, is accessible or not. So it's not accessible because we haven't installed IAS. So upcoming classes we are going to install it. Okay. So you can see all the properties of your load VM one. Okay. In next session we are going to see how to connect VM using RDP. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.